It's great to know how many leads your AdWords campaigns are driving you, but for many small businesses, that's not really telling you your true ROI, because only a percentage of the leads that you receive from your AdWords campaigns are actually going to become clients or customers. And you obviously would like to know which keywords, which campaigns are driving actual customers, not just leads, so that you can optimize your campaigns to be super effective at only spending your money in the places where it is bringing you the most profit. Now, that is possible to some extent, depending on your circumstances, using offline conversion tracking. And this here, what I have on my screen, is a super helpful guide to tracking offline conversions. It's a part of the Google support documents, and I've got a link to this page in the course materials here. But I'll kind of give you an overview of what it looks like, and then there's a lot of technical details here that you can look at and hopefully make work with your website and your customer relationship management software. So the way offline conversion tracking works is that when someone clicks on your Google ad and they hit your website, there's actually a unique Google Click ID or GCL ID, GCLID, which is sent through the URL. Let me give you an example. So say you're sending traffic to example.com, Google is automatically going to add something that looks like this. GCLID equals, and then a bunch of letters and numbers, and that's a unique code that corresponds with the keyword, campaign, ad, everything that has to do with that specific click in your AdWords account. So that gets passed through to your website. With offline conversion tracking, you install codes on your website which capture that information from your AdWords or from your URL and pass that through as a hidden field in any forms that you have on your website. So this resource right here provides some example code you can use to capture the GCLID from the URL and then pass it through hidden form fields into your CRM or whatever you're using to get information from people who fill out forms. Now, the benefit of having the GCLID in your CRM is that you can actually then export the GCLID, the GCLIDs for all the clicks that became actual customers or clients. You can export that information out of your CRM and import that into your AdWords account and then associate a specific conversion type. So for example, closed or became client, became customer, whatever you want to call it. You can associate that with specific keywords, campaigns, etc. in your AdWords account. Now, if you want to see information within your CRM itself about the keywords or campaigns or source that drove a specific lead, there is a way to accomplish that as well, and it's called UTM tracking or UTM parameters. And what you can do is you can add UTM parameters to your ads in your AdWords account, which then say what the source is. For example, source would be Google, what the medium is, what channel it is, so CPC, what the campaign name is, what the keyword name is, a bunch of different information, different options you can use. And then there's a very helpful guide right here. I'll also paste a link to this in the course materials here. And this tells you how to use some code on your website to grab these specific UTM parameters like the source name or the campaign name and pass those through hidden form fields so that you can see that actual information within your CRM. This is a pretty advanced tool. A lot of small businesses don't know how to do this or aren't even aware of the possibility of being able to do this, but this is a huge deal in being able to understand your return on investment and optimize your campaigns effectively. So I definitely recommend you take a look, and if you're not sure what to do with the code or just don't understand the process at all, get in touch with an expert who can help you. For example, the agency I work with, we help our clients figure this out and install this on their websites and make this work for them. So I definitely recommend using offline conversion tracking, and it can make your campaigns far more successful.